Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the wonderful world of natural remedies. Today, we have something truly special to share with you: the amazing health benefits of guava leaf tea. But before we dive into the health benefits, let's take a quick journey through the history of the guava tree. The guava tree, scientifically known as Psydium guayava, is native to Central America and the Caribbean. For centuries, the indigenous people recognized the incredible health benefits of guava leaves and used them in traditional medicine. Now, let's uncover the remarkable health benefits of guava leaf tea that have been passed down through generations. Health Benefit 1. Boosts immunity. Guava leaves contain vitamin C, which helps strengthen our immune system, protecting us from various diseases and infections. Vitamin C acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing harmful free radicals in our body. It also stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off pathogens and keeping us healthy. Health Benefit 2. Fights inflammation. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant found in guava leaves, helps reduce inflammation in the body, potentially alleviating symptoms of inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. It works by inhibiting the release of inflammatory compounds and reducing the activity of enzymes involved in inflammation. By reducing inflammation, guava leaf tea can provide relief from pain and swelling associated with inflammatory diseases. Health Benefit 3. Supports digestive health. Guava leaf tea has been known to aid digestion by reducing inflammation in the gut and promoting healthy bowel movements. The tannins in guava leaves have an astringent effect, which can help relieve diarrhea and other gastrointestinal issues. Additionally, guava leaf tea has antimicrobial properties that can help combat harmful bacteria in the digestive system, promoting a healthy gut flora balance. Health Benefit 4. Manages diabetes. Research suggests that guava leaf tea may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it a great addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. The compounds in guava leaves inhibit certain enzymes involved in carbohydrate digestion, resulting in better glucose control. Additionally, guava leaf tea can improve insulin sensitivity, allowing cells to effectively utilize glucose and maintain stable blood sugar levels. Health Benefit 5. Promotes heart health. The compounds found in guava leaves, including flavonoids and potassium, can help maintain a healthy heart by reducing cholesterol levels and controlling blood pressure. Flavonoids, such as quercetin and catechins, have been shown to lower LDL cholesterol levels and inhibit the formation of plaque in the arteries. Potassium, on the other hand, helps relax blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing the risk of hypertension and cardiovascular diseases. Health Benefit 6. Enhances brain function. Guava leaf tea contains compounds that protect brain cells from oxidative stress, potentially improving cognitive function and memory. These compounds, such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, have been linked to neuroprotective effects. They help reduce the damage caused by free radicals in the brain, which can enhance overall brain health and potentially reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Health Benefit 7. Supports weight loss. Drinking guava leaf tea can aid in weight management by boosting metabolism and reducing appetite. The tea stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, leading to better nutrient absorption and increased calorie burn. Additionally, guava leaf tea has been found to have an inhibitory effect on certain enzymes involved in the conversion of carbohydrates into fat, potentially preventing weight gain. Health Benefit 8. Improves skin health. The antioxidants present in guava leaves help fight free radicals, promoting healthy and youthful-looking skin. Regular consumption of guava leaf tea can help reduce wrinkles, blemishes, and skin damage caused by environmental factors. The tea can also help improve skin elasticity and promote a natural glow. You can even use cooled guava leaf tea as a toner to soothe and refresh your skin. Health Benefit 9. Relieves menstrual pain. Guava leaf tea has been used traditionally to alleviate menstrual cramps and reduce discomfort during menstruation. The tea's analgesic properties and its ability to relax muscles can provide relief from menstrual pain. It can also help regulate hormonal imbalances and reduce excessive menstrual bleeding. Sipping on a warm cup of guava leaf tea during your menstrual cycle can help ease the discomfort and promote a sense of relaxation. Health Benefit 10. supports oral health. Guava leaf tea possesses antimicrobial properties that may help combat oral bacteria, promoting healthy gums and preventing dental issues. It can also help reduce bad breath and soothe oral ulcers. The antibacterial components in guava leaves inhibit the growth of bacteria that cause gum diseases, such as plaque and gingivitis. By incorporating guava leaf tea into your oral hygiene routine, you can maintain a healthy smile and fresh breath. Health benefit 11. Boosts vision. The high levels of vitamin A and other antioxidants in guava leaf tea contribute to improved vision and eye health. These antioxidants protect the eyes from oxidative stress and may reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common eye condition that can lead to vision loss. By regularly consuming guava leaf tea, you can nourish your eyes and support their long-term health. Health benefit 12. Aids in wound healing. Guava leaf tea has been used topically to accelerate the healing of wounds, thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The tea can help prevent infection and reduce inflammation, allowing wounds to heal faster. Applying cooled guava leaf tea directly to minor cuts, scrapes, or burns can soothe the affected area and promote the healing process. Health benefit 13. Reduces allergy symptoms. The flavonoids and quercetin in guava leaves may help alleviate allergy symptoms, such as sneezing and itching. These compounds have anti-allergic properties and can help reduce the release of histamine, a chemical that triggers allergy symptoms. Adding guava leaf tea to your allergy management routine may provide some relief during allergy seasons. Health benefit 14. Supports liver health. Guava leaves contain compounds that aid in detoxification and support liver function, helping to keep this vital organ healthy. The antioxidants in guava leaves protect the liver from oxidative damage caused by toxins, while the natural compounds may help stimulate the production of liver enzymes responsible for detoxification. By promoting liver health, guava leaf tea can contribute to overall well-being. Health benefit 15. Enhances hair growth. Guava leaf tea, when used as a hair rinse, can promote hair growth and prevent hair loss due to its antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. The tea helps strengthen hair follicles, improves scalp health, and reduces dandruff and scalp irritation. It can also stimulate blood circulation in the scalp, providing nutrients to the hair follicles and encouraging healthy hair growth. These are just a few more incredible health benefits of guava leaf tea. Remember, incorporating guava leaf tea into your daily routine can offer numerous advantages for your overall health and well-being. Share your experience with guava leaf tea in the comments below. We would love to hear how it has positively impacted your life. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the health benefits of guava leaf tea, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this natural remedy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content on natural remedies and healthy living. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and transform well. We'll see you in the next video.